Hi everyone, welcome to Piment Rouge. That means we're in Chile. Let's go check it out.
Okay, cool. We found Piment Rouge and they've got some food. And the guy's really sweet. Oh, that's the village council of St Julien. So we're still in just St Julien. It's like the last place. He moved his car so we can park.
As close as possible.
How nice is that? The complications of finding parking sometimes. But this place looks awesome. I can't wait to show you.
Oh man, look at this awesome place. It's got tables and chairs and it looks so pretty. And it's literally just on the road, on the way to Lalmatie. We're here. Awesome find.
Yeah, and they've got food.
And they've got food. Finally need something. Starving.
My crispy chicken is 100 rupees.
Crispy chicken's 100 rupees.
Yeah. You get 10 pieces like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
And you get fried noodle with chicken and eggs, 100 rupees.
Okay.
And lamb, it's 140.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay,
So
I'm definitely wanting the chicken. I want the chicken.
the crispy chicken and the fried noodle with chicken and egg.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'm a phoenix.
Okay, I will serve it. Please.
Thank you so much. It's actually got such a lovely interior.
Look,
Red. The fat get red.
this massive pot of Halem. Oh man, maybe I should have gone for the Halem. You see that bone in there?
Should put it in it
Oh man.
as a flavor.
It has to be in the bone for the flavor.
Yeah.
What a brilliant Halem.
So this is Piment Rouge, and as you come in you're greeted by a cart and everything. Menu of the day, this is what they've got. And then you come inside and there's like a shop, right? So you think, well, this is a bit strange. But there's a shop with all sorts of things that you need. But then you come into the back, you can hear Brian, and you get this really quaint restaurant. I love finds like this. I just love it.
8 months at the Four Seasons.
So, 12 years.
12 years at the Four Seasons. Look at this setup. He made it himself. Normally these ones cost like 40,000 rupees. He made it for 5,000. Oh, this is like a chicken breast.
Yeah, it's chicken breast. I make my crispy chicken with chicken breast without bone.
So chicken breast without bone, and what he's doing is chucking into some special flour mix.
Yes, it's you can say it's KFC flour that I make myself.
KFC flour he made himself. So they're going to be like KFC tasties or something. Yeah. Okay. Go the way.
Salt.
Oh, and an egg. And mix it up.
That's my mix.
So just in case he needs a bit more flour, he's got a big thing ready, his special KFC mix. Oh, and in they go to sizzle. So he's taking them out there and just popping them. Oh, look at them puffing already. Getting crispy. Oh man. What a treat. Oh, flame and chicken crisping.
And they've got a really big pizza oven, so they do pizzas, but not today. Maybe on the weekends.
Oh, stirring them up. Oh, look at the color on those already. Oh, wow. And they look so crispy. Keep going, guys. I'll eat you soon.
So, naman yung nasi tomorrow.
Oh, turning the flame on to get the final crisp up. Oh, look at that flame on. Oh, while he's doing that, we're getting some ketchup, I think, in the one side.
Ketchup.
Oh, look at those golden chicken nuggets. Oh, man. Oh, they look so great. Oh, and here comes the piment, the chili. Oh, look at that chili. Oh, yes, please, thank you. Oh, man, what a great plate of chicken. Oh, and look, he's going to put some parsley on. No, green onion. It's green onion. Oh, man, Master Chef. I will be moving backwards as you deliver. Oh, wow.
Where's my guess?
Just right there is fine, thank you.
Sit here or
Just here is fine. There we are, look at that, the chicken is here. Look at the delivery that just arrived. Ice cold beer. Oh man, we gotta get tucked in.
How beautiful does that look?
It really does.
Welcome to Mauritius.
This is our starter, the chicken crostini. What's it called?
Crostillon.
Crostillon.
Crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken with piment, which is chili, and some just plain ketchup, and of course, ice cold beer. Cheers, everyone.
Lovely. Oh, it's so crispy.
Oh, and it's just fresh. You just cooked them. We're just gonna eat it without dipping. Oh, let's focus in on that.
That's really good.
It's a secret KFC spice, he calls it, but better. That it?
Wow. That's remarkable.
It's because it's fresh. He freshly cooked it right there in front of me. Top notch. Oh man.
Give that a go, bro.
Here we go. Oh. Too much beer in my glass. Oh. Okay. Chicken crostini coming up. I'm going to go straight up first and I'll try some chili. Oh.
I know, it's like crazy soft but crunchy on the outside.
Oh, soft chicken, crunchy outside. I love the flavor.
Yeah, I love these sorts of little discoveries.
Oh.
Dip it.
Go for a little chili. Now remember where we are. This is St Julien. This is inland. This is not for coastal people.
No.
This is going to be hot.
Black chili.
Oh.
Nice.
No, it is hot. But great flavor. Oh, what a great flavor on that, but hot. Well, there's some stuff on the table. Ricky's just shaking one up.
I think that's probably garlic and this is probably vinegar.
So vinegar and garlic. Try a little bit of the garlic on one of the chickens, just to. Oh.
Oh.
Garlic. Good garlic.
Like chicken.
Oh, pour that all over your chicken. Garlicky delicious.
That's wonderful. And this chicken, guys. Oh.
Well, you saw him cooking it right there in front of me. Soft and juicy, and I love the outside.
Oh, it's so crispy.
It really is crispy, and it's got a great flavor. Getting some chili there. Oh, you're going to put some on your...
no, just a little because it's really hot, but it's got a lovely flavor.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to dip it on there.
Basically, chili and touch.
Yeah, I touched the chili. And then I'm going to put some of this delicious garlic. This is going to be so good, I know it already. That's the way nature intended it.
Well, Ricky was on about how great it was. I'm going to dip mine in the chili. Get a nice big scoop of chili on there.
Are you serious?
And then a little bit of the garlic. Oh, it's all dripping into the chili. Oh, the garlic came through straight away.
It's like the chili enhances it. Oh,
Oh, look at
And a
this.
shop up. Wow, this guy's so cool. You can tell he worked in a professional place.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And refills. Even Ricky, who's only had a tiny sip. Drink faster, Rick.
I know. Thank you. I love these discoveries in Mauritius. The guys that are now owner running a place that used to work in like a major hotel and stuff. They've got all the experience.
And he's cooking it himself.
With so much
he's
care.
cooking such good chicken. I can't wait to try the noodles, but the chicken, if it's anything to go by.
And it seems quite popular as well, so
People
that's
just
always
keep coming in and getting food. And we
amazing
vloggers, so we
looking
take
food.
hours, but there's been so many people coming and going.
yeah, Christmas has come and gone.
Oh man, there was a trick Ricky was doing that I missed out. You see those green things? They're green onions.
Oh, it goes so well.
It really goes so well with it. My last bite, I had it, and it was like, oh, I missed out on all that good food.
The chili, the green onion, the garlic.
On the chicken, chased by a sip of beer. So here we go with our lamb noodle.
First of all, the eggs.
First of all, the egg. This is lamb. In with the lamb. Vegetables. Bread. By bread I mean green vegetables. And then a bowl of noodles.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Pepper.
Bit of black pepper.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Oh man.
Chinese wine.
Chinese wine. Oh man. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It's gonna be fat. Oh.
Some garlic sauce.
And garlic sauce. Oh man, this is my favorite bit, over the flame tossing it.
See why we put the eggs first? Then we won't get nothing stick in the pan.
Okay, so the egg is like the oil, it keeps everything from sticking. Now remember guys, this is one portion, we're just getting it made into two for us. Wow, that is so much noodle. That's one portion, but remember this is all one portion, just separated into two plates. A little bit of green onion.
That's good.
And there we go, ready to go. And look, proper waiter skills, he knows the skill. And there we go.
Oh wow, thank you.
Oh man, what a treat, what a treat.
Those look amazing.
As well as garlic sauce, you can put this one.
So garlic
Thank
sauce
you.
Vinegar.
and
Great,
vinegar.
guessed
give you some
correctly.
chili.
Thank you. Wow.
And of course the bowl of chili has returned. Looks good.
My word, how many noodles?
I know, this is just one portion split into two.
Are you sure? Yeah. People normally get,
The whole portion.
This one is one portion.
wow.
Wow.
And people can eat that.
Yeah. Most of people eat a lot.
You heard that from the man himself.
But the weather and then the work they do.
Yes, yes.
So they work hard and then they come and eat a whole 2 plates of noodles. That's one portion.
Lamb fried noodle. Oh, you guys are hungry now.
Standard practice, you got to put the garlic on. Not too much because, well, it's Ricky's thing. Oh, it's actually poured out. And I'm going to try it without the chili to start with, because we're here for the flavor of the lamb.
I can smell the flavor of the lamb.
Oh, you should have been there while he was cooking it, right?
Oh,
It was just
man.
like, he's tossing it and it's just a flavor explosion over and over at me. Oh, it's like fried. It's got,
Fried.
you know what I mean? It's got that, I don't really know how to say it.
This is what I eat first.
But it is good, it is good. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit on this little portion. Chili.
Winner, winner, chili dinner.
Next level noodle. Definitely you gotta put the chili on. Ricky giving it a go.
Gonna grab some noodle, swirl it up like spaghetti. I don't know why I'm doing that. Stab a piece of lamb. Ooh.
Oh, look at that mouthful. Oh, yes.
Really like grilled lamb.
Oh.
And soft. Absolutely gorgeous and smoky. Like it's been on a barbecue.
He did toss it in the pan and get the flame into it.
Oh, wonderful. Those are good noodles.
Oh, Ricky is a fan.
I love this garlic stuff. It's not strong.
Oh, look at what Ricky's doing. Just a little dash around. When in Mauritius.
Oh, and I got a piece of lamb. I think the lamb's all hiding underneath. Grab another piece. Ooh.
Oh, that was a big chunk there, Rick.
That.
Yes, that indeed. Focus on Ricky, well, it's focusing on you.
Perfection. Wow. He has skill.
Oh man, there actually is a toilet here. You have to go back there, you have a key. Ricky will give you a toilet tour.
I will. Right, so simple toilet, basin, but all perfectly clean. So this is the man himself, Arvin, and it's his place. Thank you so much for having us. Great place. And guys, here's the details, and we'll put his Facebook link. Come and support, it's delicious. So we're in Flak, well, Flak district, just south of Lalmatie, right on the edge of the village.
St Julien.
Yes, is Le Piment Rouge, not marked here at the moment, but will be. When you guys go and look.
Oh wow, it's funny places like this. They make it discovering so worthwhile. Anyway everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.